Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are trying the new pop sensation of the beauty community, the Glam Lite
pizza palette.
I'm so excited to try this, you guys. This is like so cool. This is the PR package. It's very, in a pizza box, which is really cute, really innovative. It says the world's best pizza has arrived. That's so cute. This is actually the first thing I'm trying from Glam Lite. I'm really excited. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a big old chubs up, and leave me a comment down below. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the Glam Lite Pizza Palette, 18 delicious toppings. I love it, so cute. It says, warning, do not eat. This is what the palette looks like if you guys haven't seen it already. I've been seeing this palette literally everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. I've seen it. I'm sure you guys have seen it too. It is so cute. My lights might be washing out a little bit. Here you go. These are pretty much true to color besides this orange is like hot neon orange. So let's go to glamlite.com and see what they have to say. It says, indulge your taste buds in the world's most delicious palette. The pizza palette offers 18 mouth-watering toppings. Oops, we meant shades. From healthy greens, smoky browns, bright and vibrant yellows, to spicy reds, and oranges, this palette is perfect for even the pickiest of tastes. Bon appetit. No matter how tasty it looks, do not eat. That's so adorable. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I love the color range. I think the names are super cute. The mirror is cute. I do like it. I wish that this part was a little bit more sturdier, or maybe like a magnetic so you can kind of like plop it. I think that would have been a really cute idea. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in now and let's get started. Guys, I am really so excited to jump on this palette. I don't even know what to go in with first. This is the pretty cool tone palette. They're really pretty. Let me swatch some of them. Let's swatch like red onions, which is metallic, mushrooms, this shade, I don't know what it's called. And then let's go in with hot sauce. I love this shade. This one's a little bit more drier. They didn't swatch bad. They're not like amazing. This is one swipe, but the mattes look pretty good. And the pink is a little splotchy. The metallic is kind of lackluster, but we'll see when we put it on the eyes. I don't know what type of look to do. These shades are like really cute, but I feel like there's so many. I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow. I think I'm gonna start off with the shade right here. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't know how to say that. I'm really just dumb. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pink shade and run it through my crease. Just tapping in a couple times. There is a lot on the brush, which is nice, but most of it came off. I did prime my eyes with the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer, which I love. This is like my favorite concealer at the moment. So this shade's already blending very easily. It's very pretty, actually. I really like this shade. It's a really interesting pink. It's kind of like a pig pink. Like, you guys know that one little pig character? Pepper the Pig. It looks just like that bitch. I'm just taking this and blending it throughout everywhere, because I want it to be nice and blown out. Ooh, it's so pretty, actually. It looks really good on camera as well. Okay, so now moving on to the next shade. Let's go in with the shade Marinara. It's a really pretty, I would just say like reddish brown color. I'm taking this on the outer V. Ooh, you guys, the shade is extremely pigmented. That was like one little, come on, focus. I see you, focus. What? You can see extremely pigmented. Very pigmented, but let's see it on the eye. Wow, this shade is so pigmented. Oh my god, you guys, I just got back from visiting my family in Illinois. Period. Never going back. It is so cold. Oh my god, I couldn't believe how cold it was. Let me know where you live down below, and what is the temperature like? Do you live like in the tundra, like Illinois, or like beautiful Los Angeles? I keep going in and out of focus. These shades are blending so easily. I'm very impressed. It's crazy. I've never even heard of Glam Lite before. But I need to go on the line and start purchasing some. Okay, so off camera, I did add this shade. I don't know how to pronounce that. Kalamata. But let's go in with the shade Garlic, I think, and let's pack that on the lid. Ooh, this matte is looking pretty good. Oh yeah, stunning. Let me try my finger to make it a little quicker. This shade is definitely pigmented, but I don't think pigmented enough for what I'm looking for. So I might be cutting the crease. Oh, I have these new Huda Beauty matte and metal eyeshadows. Let's try this. I'm curious with this shade because it's like the same shade as the garlic shade, I would say. Let's try it out. I'm gonna cut my crease with this, which is not what I wanted to do, but... Okay, yeah, they're literally the exact same shade. Cut my crease. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so these Huda Beauty new Multi Shadows are a little bit hard to use. Yeah, these are a million times easier to use a brush with. They don't really dry too fast either, which is really nice because you have time to work with them. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and blend out the edges, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the top of the eyes finished. You can see that there is a little bit of issues going on. I think it's because of the Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadow in the shade Faux Fur and Bamboo Hoops. Ooh, this is not the tea. I did have to pack the shade Garlic on top because it was creasing horribly. So I'm gonna copy the lower lash line, add some lashes, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, everyone, so this is the finished look. I had to add a little bit more extraness to it because it was kind of looking like a Valentine's Day look. I added a couple more things, and plus I messed up kind of a lot adding other things. But yeah, this is an amazing palette. I definitely suggest it to you guys. I believe this is $40, so again, I'll have it linked down below. Let me know how you guys like this look down below. Do you guys want more reviews? What palettes you guys want to see? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, give it a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.